Everybody doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in. W's in the chat. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Got a Trade? What's good, AJ? Buzzblab in the building. Stephen B is in the house. What's good, Stephen B? Yo. What up, Dropout Trader? Good morning. What up, Xander? Jimmy Williams in the building. No brakes. All gas, no brakes. Let's go. Ewan in the house. What up, AB Mike? Awareness, how you doing? What's up, Energy? Yanosh in the building today. Yes, sir. Yanosh. What up, Trader Next Door? What up, Magnus? What up, Alfonso in the house? Dennis Hood's in the building. Bink. Bink's in the chat. We haven't hit the chat with Binks in a while. Louis G's in the building. What up, Louis G? What up, Charla? What's good, everyone? Welcome in. Good morning, Richard Lewis. W's in the chat. Let me fix something here. All right, we are good to go. Let me grab Zoom. Let me share my screen. How you guys feeling today? Welcome back. Time to play the game. You guys ready? You guys ready to play the game again? Here we go. Give me one sec, chat. Let me... All right, sweet. All right, let me share my screen, and we're going to rock and roll. How'd you guys do during London session? How'd you guys do? Perfect. What up, Stephen B? How you doing today, buddy? What's up, Wags? What's good? Louis Trumbull in the house, baby. What's good? Good morning. Or good afternoon to you. Imagine if your last name was Crumble. Oh my God. Crumble Cookie. Frustrating L. Yeah, I know. One of those like 1-2 pip L's, right? I hate that. Hate it. You guys were active in London? Nice. All right, cool. Yeah, let's well, we're leading into New York, so let's go ahead and get the day started. Let me pray for y'all real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, I pray a blessing over your people today, Lord, no matter where they're at in the journey. I pray that you guide them, that you light up their path, Lord, that you encourage them. Let them know that all is well. All is well. As I look back on the valley moments in my life, how silly was I to think that there was something wrong happening, Lord. Everything works out for the good according to your plan. So we thank you for each and every step of the journey. I pray a blessing over each and every individual moving in and out of here today. And we just give you all the glory. We recognize you and we thank you. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Yeah, man. Valleys, a lot of value in the valleys. All right, let's rock and roll. Zoom is good. Let me move my chat. And let's get this day started. All right, perfect. All right, well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. It is another day, another opportunity. Good morning, Andrew. What's up, Billy O'Neill? It is another opportunity to play this game, man, to do what we enjoy doing. I know some of you guys, it could be frustrating. It could be thrilling. You know, there's all different sorts of emotions and experiences when it comes to our individual journeys here in trading, but you gotta continue to press on, understanding that if this is what you've called to do, you know, a lot of traders I hear, they it's almost like they come in, they come out, they come in, they come out, and something just keeps pulling them back in. Right? That's a calling for you, man, to get the job done here. So let's focus here today. Let's learn and grow here today, and let's just get one step better. For that way, when we come to the desk tomorrow, we're even better than we were today. So we're gonna learn some lessons here today. I'm excited about it. We're gonna watch price, we're going to follow price, and we're going to understand these markets just a smidge bit better than we did yesterday, which is pretty dope. But today is the 14th. It is May. It is 7:05 a.m., and that means it is time to like the stream. Yeah, 7:05 is time to like the stream. So give the stream a like as you settle in here today. We're gonna go over the news. There's some action here today, right? Yesterday was pretty quiet, but as we enter into today, tomorrow, volatility will pick up here as we do have some really big news events coming in, right? So today we do have the core PPI here as well, plus the month to month. Those are going to be two red folders coming in here at 8:30 today. So we've got that. We've also got some members of the Fed speaking at 9:10ish. And then Powell speaks later as well, right? So Powell's going to be speaking at 10. So this day should be jam-packed, full of excitement once we get towards like 8:30 here today. So that's what's ahead of us here. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts, do a top-down analysis, and I'm just going to lower the music. Let me lower it on my end. Yeah. And let's do a breakdown here. So let's break the charts. Let's start from the weekly here. So taking a look at this weekly chart here, right? We understand that we are in this major uptrend, right? We are moving up. You know, we've kind of created these new supports and all that good stuff. Now we're in a bit of a range here, right? Currently, because although we've moved up very nicely, now we have kind of created this stronger resistance, and now you have this pretty strong support here, right? So this is the current range that we are trading in when it comes to, let's say, the monthly time frame. I'm sorry, the weekly time frame here. So not much room to go, right? You have this candle closed like 75% of the way up, I would say, within this range. All you really have left is kind of like this zone right here. We don't know if price wants to move up, if it wants to move down. It's just kind of messing around in this range here today, right? So this week. So two things that can happen. Today's Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday, so it is only the second day here of the week. But ideally, by the end of the week, you want to see one or two things happening, right? You want to see either a candle closure below the range here, so we can finally get some sort of a breakout and continue down, right? That would make sense as you're kind of creating these higher highs and higher lows now. You kind of pushed all the way up, and now you're, possibly looking to do some business like this, right? Coming down, you've got this support down here. You've also got support right here. Very, very clean range coming down if you can get that closure there. So that's the one side of the coin there. And then the other one is just break above and we go back and start breaking all-time highs again. And honestly, that wouldn't be too fun, right? I want to see some moves down so we can have some excitement here and some ranges to trade, right? We really don't want to see gold back up here right now. Maybe in the summertime when things slow down a little bit, but we want to trade, right? We want to trade. So that's what's good on the weekly time frame here. Let's take a look at the daily so we can see where we're at here today. So daily did close bearish yesterday. We did leave a wick. Did we close below the range here? We did close semi below the range. This, you do have a closure here, right? So you got clean traffic coming down. We haven't really done much of a bearish move yet. So if we are going to do that, it's most likely going to happen here in the New York session, last session of the day, where you would see this daily candle flip bearish, drive down, tap into support, and look something like that here today. So that's kind of like the idea for today. Now I'm assuming that the 4-hour candles are probably bullish, right? So what can we also expect here today if we had to build a case for a bullish bias? Well, there could be a potential fake out, right? Because if you don't break those lows, then most likely this candle will close back above the range and continue re-breaking the highs here today. So another two sides of the coin here today on gold. Now let's go see if the 4-hour is bullish and how we can make sense of all this. Okay, cool. So 4-hour is you had this kind of like a celery play, but it was a bit of a dud. As you can see, right, didn't really do much. There still is an hour 49 minutes left in this 4-hour candle, but you've come into this area of resistance at this point. Above there is very clean traffic if you can get a 4-hour candle closure above. Now again, this candle isn't done yet. There's still open. Anything could happen. You can very easily, we have lots of volume coming in here. We also have lots of news coming in, but you can very easily close bullish like this and have price continue to push up here today. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Although we are bearish on the daily, we are also tapping into this 4-hour resistance level, and we need to see confirmations on some of these lower time frames. So let's see what the hour did. The hour did close bearish here. You do have this resistance to the left hand side. You also have somewhat of a support, right? Well, it's a previous resistance, right? But what I'm assuming here now is that these wicks down here represent supports, right? So let's just mark that off and see what it looks like. Yeah, there you go. So you kind of got this bullish candle closure right here. So 30-minute time frame closed bullish. If you can get this candle here to close bearish, right, below the range, there I think we have pretty decent sells for as we expect the 4-hour to begin to reject, right? And then you got nice clean candles coming down. We want to be in and out of this before the news comes out here at 8:30 if we do get that opportunity. So as of right now, we are bullish. We are kind of stuck in this range, so there's no buys here for me, no sells here for me, but this will be what my day is looking like. So pretty simple. Buys above 23.47, 160, and then clean sells are below 23.44, 920, and that's it. It's a simple day. There is news. We gotta be careful if we are gonna, execute. We do want to execute, somewhere soon, right? An hour or so leading into to news here. So we don't really want to be in this, or we want to at least be break even by the time news comes out if we are in any positions here today. So that is the day. Yeah, that's the day. 15-minute has a little bit of a fake out. You can adjust that if you'd like. I was interested in potentially taking this sell here, but there was zero top wick on that sell. So no bueno. So that's it. You're ranging currently. Buys are a bit tough, being that you are bearish on the day. You are in this rejection area here on the 4-hour as well. Like, just a bunch of, pretty strong rejection happening, and a little bit of a rocky C, I would say, on the lower time frames here to move up. So a lot of wicks over here, resistance over here. The sells do look very clean, depending on how this 15/30-minute candle closes here. So that's going to be what I'm looking out for. Gonna probably hang out on the 15-minute time frame for the next few minutes here. Yeah, that's it. Simple stuff. So buys above 23.47 and then sells below 23.44. Yeah, nice clean ranges here, especially on the way down. And that is the game. What up, Perez? What's good? What's good? What's good? Everything works together for our good. Amen. For all those who believe it does. Right? Gotta believe. You've got to believe. What's up, Purpose? Since the next support on the 30 is like 14 pips away, aren't the sells from that level a little risky? Let me see, brother. Are you looking at this one? Which one? The wick fill? Maybe? Oh, I sent the wrong Zoom link? No way. Oh, damn, my bad. I sent the YouTube link. All right, you guys are good. My bad. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Let me move this. All right, cool. We're good. All right, so no closure on the 15. So yeah, off to wait on this 30-minute time frame now. The 30 is going to be a much better confirmation here anyway. So yeah, just got to wait. So daily and 4 hour both bearish. Why buys without range 2? I think this 4 hours, I would consider this bullish, right? I would consider this bullish. This is not a good enough candle, especially after breaking the highs and all that, for me to say, because look at this, you have a strong support here, major push up. Sellers try to come in, could not take ownership at all, push price all the way back up here. This candle ended up making a bottom wick, aggressively breaking the highs and beginning to push up. So like that, I'm going to consider at this point we're pretty bullish based off of the candle. But what I'm also now looking at from the breakdown is that we are also in this rejection zone, right? So that's why I'm also paying attention to anticipating this candle moving down, which it is moving down pretty nicely here and beginning to reject. So although we are bearish, there is still a shot that if you re-break that high, which that's what we're looking for buys above, you're gonna make your pump up now. So yeah, it's a bit of back and forth here a little bit when it comes to, are we bullish, are we bearish? You know, I would say we are bullish, but we're in this rejection zone, so that therefore anything could happen. But if you re-break the high and get a closure on, like, let's say a 30-minute time frame, then I think price could push up there. Yeah, and this could potentially now be our daily top wick right here. Top of the morning. What up, Caleb? What's good? What's good? Yeah, you know what? I think if we use this one, it'll be better too, because that brings us past all those 4-hour highs. So if you guys are worried about range 2 buys, maybe just wait for 2350. I think that's what I may do here today as well. 2350, and then you got a pretty clean range coming up. And you basically bypass all of you basically bypass all this as well on your way up. So yeah, I think if this may be the better zone here today for buys to push up from. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and within that you may get yourself range 2s, right? You may get something like this, and then a closure, and then you got that clean move to the left. So I think that's a little bit better after looking at it and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, this is your 4-hour low here too. So if you close below there and then break that low, you should beeline straight towards like 2338 here. What's up, AB Mike? AB Mike in the house. What up, Manelli? Daniel, what's good? Damn, Daniel with all caps. Daniel with all caps. What's good, bro? What's good? I've noticed whenever I'm not on the stream for the morning prayer, I tend to have a difficult day. Well, let's pray again. Father in heaven, we pray that there's no difficult days today, especially for AB Mike. Lord, we pray that you bless him. Let him know that he doesn't need to be here for the prayer, that he's already blessed, Lord. We thank you. We give you the glory. We ask you to speak to him, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. There you go, brother. It's going to be a great day now. Remember what I said in the prayer, those that are coming in and out and all throughout the session. May they all be blessed. What up, Michael? What's good? What's good? What up, Jason? Hey, yo, is it like Jason? Oh, Jason. Is it Jason? Is that like the original name on the birth certificate? What's up, Stevie Mac? Good morning. Look at that. Look at that. AB Mike, full margin now. There we go. We got him back in shape now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Juan. Yo, I'm figuring this guy's name out every week. I'm figuring out more details to Jason's name. I'm guessing C is your last name. This guy's name goes deep, chat. This guy's name goes deep. How about sell top in the current low, filling the 1 hour wick? Yeah, that's not too bad either. Yeah, this candle didn't close strong enough bearish for me, to be honest, and I think price is beginning to respect whatever this area is here at 23.44. So I'm gonna wait for now and see if we get a closure below. We never closed below on the 15. We did break the lows already, but I think a 30 close below there would be a much better confirmation. It'll be a little bit of a later entry if you're okay with that, which I am. You know, instead of entering up here, you'd probably be entering somewhere down here, but it's a excuse me, it's a better confirmation, and it's a more logical idea when it comes to like anticipating price to move down here. Yeah, because we also may range, right? Because you got big news coming out here, so you also may range for a bit this morning. What's up, Pablo? Good morning. Oh, man's in DR. He's in DR. PPI predictions. To be honest, I'm not the most fluent when it comes to the news here, but I typically go based off of the numbers and how they come out. I don't know exactly the details, the meat and potatoes of what's going on. I'd be making that up if I said that. I just pay attention to how numbers come out, results come out, and then I look and I follow price. So price typically will follow news, and also news will follow price. So yeah, I just follow price, man. Yeah, I use the result of it as a confluence, but other than that, I'm not super into like what's happening, what they're talking about in the meeting, you know, all that good stuff. Check charts for stream. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Gold's starting to move down here. Very nice. So we just rebroke that low. Yeah, we just rebroke the low here. So very similar to what we seen yesterday on the impulse side. So we'll see if we actually begin to rip down here after re-breaking that low. Let's check out charts for stream and let's see what's good. So these are let's see, gold sells in Asian session. Fake out. Oh yeah, we were talking about this one last night. Yeah, so based off the 15-minute, it wasn't a bad trade, right? You are right. You did get a fake out on the 15-minute time frame. The only thing was on the 30-minute at that point was saying something different, right? So buys were actually valid. This here right here was a 30-minute wick fill. So yeah, it just happened to be on the wrong side of the coin for this one. I think it was a good idea. based off of the 15-minute time frame, definitely. Yeah, I remember when you took it. We were talking in the Discord. W, man, W. Keep in mind that the 1 hour 30-minute time frame holds more weight than the 15-minute. You know, so try and use this 15 only when there's high volume coming in. When you're anticipating massive candles on the hourly 30-minute time frame, that's where you're trying to weasel your way in on the 15-minute. So other than that, I like to look at strictly 30-minute 1 hour time frames, unless there's like high volume or unless there's just not enough price action to make a basic good judgment off, then I'll go down to the 15. But yeah, according to the 15, great trade. Fake out, onion, back into the range, break below the lows, not bad trade. And then you took another sell. Okay, 15-minute, 4 hour has no bottom wick. Yeah, this was nice. I like that. Yeah, good job. Even the loss was a good trade. Let's see, what's this one? Gold sells in London session. W. Yep. Break of the low. Yeah, perfect. TP1. Beautiful. Volume time. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, great trade. Yeah, I think that was the trade of the session there in London, right? Oh, look at this. The Eagle 4000 is at work. I told you guys are sleeping on this thing. Eagle play on Eagle play on London flying high. Just follow it. Discipline is key. W. Yeah, you see that? W. When the wings go up like that, and yeah, it's just look at that backbone. Just look at it. Just look at this backbone, man.
You look at that.
Man,
Yeah, well,
would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few
Just
more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Right now we're testing out the Eagle 4000. We'll have it for sale pretty soon. It's only right that we charge $4,000 for it, right? I mean, it is the Eagle 4000, so that will be up and running very shortly. It'll be $4,000, and every single one of you guys will be required to purchase this if you want to be part of TTE moving forward. So wait till you see that backbone play out, and then that jaw drop, and then, man, beak mode. What up, TK? W Eagle 4000. We don't want to give too much about that. All right, 15-minute time frame. This is gold. 15-minute time frame. Break of the lows. Yeah, that's the range we're stuck in. When was this? Just now? Yeah. Yeah, right here. Well, this candle kind of had no bottom wick too right here, and then I think if you were remaining above all this, what was that, 23.44, then I don't think sells are valid yet, right? I just don't think they're valid until you actually get below that resistance, or, you know, on the 15-minute this resistance here. Yeah, that's all. You were right about the direction. It was just not ready. Yeah. All right, you're breaking 4-hour low now. So now you're coming down, breaking that low. I would anticipate this candle to begin to move down. 1 minute. We made that move in the last, what, 10 minutes here? Yeah. Eagle 4000, bro. Don't play with it. No discounts. By the way, did I tell you guys we're moving to Dubai? Yeah, the next version is going to be the Eagle 10,000. You guys know what's up now. We're testing it. We're still testing it. That does look like a pelican. It looks like these little pelicans I used to give French fries to back in the day at the swimming pool when I was younger. They'd be like, "Don't feed the pelicans." They'd be coming by like the dozen after that. Good morning, Scott. What's up, bro? All right, you're getting closures here, man. Yeah, I'm open for these sells. Just need a top wick. Wanted that sell earlier. Yeah, this one right here was off of this candle, right? You had this this candle here closed below, right below the range, or this guy right here, and then this was nice, but it didn't give us a top wick. No top wick. Yeah, this one right here. I was trying to sell that candle. But yeah, if we get a top wick, that'd be awesome. If not, not gonna touch it. Eagle play, bro. Eagle play. Set. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Come to Dubai. I'm coming. Once just wait for that Eagle 4000 to drop. I'll be there. I'm connecting with my Instagram guru realtor right now in Dubai. 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 Hey, Instagram got gurus for everything now. You guys ever seen the guru realtors? They hit you with the course and all that. Yo, what up, Brian? All right, give a top wick here, maybe. Yeah, I took a buy last night, too, for about another 11 pips during the Asian session. Yeah, if we could re-break the low, I'm going to be short here on gold. Yeah, sell stops. Re-break of the 4-hour low there. Raja gotta hook me up. Hook it up, bro. Let me give you my testimonies. TK, how you doing, buddy? We got the whole mod squad out here today. Mod squad's here. Mod squad's here. We got maybe a new mod coming.
How you doing?
How you doing? Yeah, man. Hey, our mods not the most fire mods in the game. Come on. Come on. Z Gamer? Come on, man. Louis G, Scotty C, George VDM, I mean, damn. Yanosh, I mean, jeez. AB Mike, I mean, come on. Come on, guys. Force the trade? Alright, sell right now. Yeah, man. Mod squad. You know what I like about our mods now? Not only do they take care of mod stuff, but they do the extra work too. Like they give good opinions. They give their thoughts on how we can make things better. Where I don't think in our first round of mods we really had too much of that. But these guys are smart, man. They're good thinkers. They observe things from a different perspective as me, and they have really good input on how to improve things and how to make it better for everyone else, to make it better for the viewers, for the chat. So W guys, man. These guys got good hearts. They got good input as well. And yeah, mod squad. W mod squad. Got a trade in the house. You don't know how much I like your name? Yeah, isn't Gotta Trade's name fire? I know Gotta Trade personally, and I call him Gotta Trade. Well, I know him through TTE. But I spent a lot of time with Gotta Trade. He was an early elite, and I still call him Gotta Trade. I don't even call him by his name. I know his name, and I don't call him by his name. Yeah, they are. They are very loyal. Yep, they do a good job at, you know, holding it down and helping some of you guys, I'm sure, message me and I don't get to the messages, and you know, then you go to one of these guys and they're right there to help you. Even some of the guys that aren't mods yet, they're always there to help. That's what I love about this whole squad here, this community. Hey, don't give them your real name, Gotta Trade. You're on the internet, man. Wada Trade, yeah. We got Stephen B and Stephen G. Stephen G in the house.
How you doing?
Is it me or the range is much smaller here this week? Right? This is a 40 pip range. These stops are like 19 pips if you're using current candle stops there. Insane, man. Last few months, I mean, this was like 70 pips right here. So it looks like we're back to a little bit of a better range pip-wise. Where do you plan on putting sell stops? I have sell stops on the break of these lows, which is the break of the 1 hour low and the break of the 4 hour low again. So that's where I have sell stops, anticipating that the daily candle has made its top wick and is looking to potentially move back down here. You got a nice closure below, which was good. And yeah, you got clean range coming down towards the left-hand side here. I was trying to get in on this sell here at 630, but we did not get a top wick. See how like this candle closed below the range there. So I wanted to take this sell here, but we got no top wick on that candle. But we did get a nice push down there, but again, no top wick. You see how it doesn't last, right? It comes back up, and the next candle created the top wick, and then resistance, and now you have a closure below there. So that's another reason why why I'm looking to potentially take the sell here. Stop loss, I'm gonna keep stops above the previous candle high, so right up here, 23.46 ish. And then yeah, or you can use these stops as well, 23.44 if you like, which is the current candle. And yeah, oh no, Perez. I'll check that out today, man. My bad. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll check that out today. Perez. Perazzle. My bad. I was looking at the same sell as well. Nice wags. Yeah, I wanted to see a top wick on that candle because you guys know 6 a.m. there is quite a bit of volatility that does come in during that time. So yeah, it did come in, just didn't give us what we wanted, and that's fine. Yeah, and the reason why I have stops sitting up here, because if we enter this trade, I want to start teaching you guys, those of you guys who weren't with us last year, we used to manage based off of candle closures, right? So on a trade like this, it gives you that opportunity to manage based off of closures. Maybe we'll go into this. I'm actually recording a lot of videos for the course, and I'm gonna put some of them on YouTube. But you know, there's two ways I manage risk. One is gonna be sort of like a micro-managed type of position, where you're, you know, closing things based off of price movement. And then there's another way where it's more of like a systematic approach, where you're closing based off of candle closures, right? So the only way that you would close here, let's say we got activated, right? And then the candle closed bullish. Well, I'm still gonna keep this trade in, right? Let's say the candle kind of comes up like this, comes up. I'm not gonna close anything. Not gonna close anything. If we come down and we close below, I'm gonna keep the trade on, right? Keep the trade on. As long as we remain below 23.44, everything is still valid to continue going down, right? If we were to be in this trade, and a lot of times, next thing you know, you're gonna get priced to do things like this, and you know your trade's gonna work out. But if you manage it too like aggressively, you're out of this trade. You know, you can re-enter at a certain point, but when you're basing your management off of candle closures, I think I've had a little bit more success that way. And it's also, it takes away decision making, right? Because now all your decisions are based off of candle closures, and you don't have to worry, should I be closing? Should I be doing this? Should I be doing that? Nope, you should just be waiting for the candle to close to give you information on where it's you know, where it's closing at. So I'm gonna delete this for right now, because this candle is gonna close in about 1 minute. So I don't want to get activated and close on no bottom wick or something. So I'm just gonna hang tight here. Or 2 minutes. 2 minutes. John's in the house. What up, John? Hold on 1 sec, John. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete that for now, and then we'll revisit this in a moment. What up, John?
Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, brother.
Good morning. How you
Stop it.
doing?
How you doing? What's goody?
Doing great.
Doing great?
Yeah.
Nice, brother.
How's your morning going?
My morning's great, bro. Got to work on a lot of things. Super grateful for another day. Feeling blessed, bro.
Amen.
Let's get it. New day.
Nice, nice.
What about you, bro? Your morning was good?
Fantastic. Blessed and highly favored.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's good, chat? How you guys doing?
What you looking at today?
Look, I got the same chart markups as you.
Same exact thing?
But, yep, same exact thing.
Nice, nice.
There. Yeah, I had sell stops too.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, 4-hour lows here.
Gonna wait on the 15 though as well. We only got 1 minute, so.
Me too. Yeah, I'll re-add these again once we close.
What's up, chat? What's goody? What's up, Wags? How you guys doing?
Wags.
What up, Ryan? Z Gamer, you know. Hey, chat. New day, new opportunity to build the muscle of following our plan, being patient and disciplined to the plan, and we'll have a great day. Let's stack the wins.
Yes, sir.
Yazerski.
Yazerski. Rangers lost last night, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. What's up, Scott?
Scott. How you doing? Let's stack the wins. Let's go. Let's stack them.
Stack the wins.
Yeah, this is your 4-hour low here too. So if you do break that low, I would anticipate that after this break of the high and rejection, that if we do break that low again here before, you know, or during pre-New York or during New York Open, you're gonna most likely move on down, and then this is probably the area in which I would like to secure some profits, because that is that support level on the 1 hour. So that's kind of the idea here.
Super clean.
Yeah, you kind of got this 15-minute celery play. This is what the trade is based off of. So it'll go into my, if we get activated and take this trade, it'll go into the journal as a 15-minute celery. It's kind of like a 30-minute breakout.
Good morning, Paraz. Morning, Chala. Can you tell me about the sells? Nick already explained it. Simple, right? 30-minute breakout, 4-hour breaking lows, daily bearish bias. That's why. That's why we're taking sells. Got a range to fill. Looks really clean.
Yep. Daily we're anticipating
that,
yeah, that this may be the top wick now, right, for the daily candle here, and then you know, for us to break the lows and potentially fill that range there. 4-hour also re-break of the low, and 1 hour break of the low, 30-minute break of the lows, 15-minute celery, clean traffic on all time frames. So yeah, 1 hour broke lows already here. We got 12 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. If we do end up popping up and breaking the high, I'll just delete and wait for the 1 hour here, and then see if you can get a, you know, some sort of sells or closures below here on the 1 hour, and then that'll indicate that we should continue down.
Big if though. Need to break those lows.
You got to respect the high and break the low.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Man. What exactly is a celery play? So it's something like this, right? So you have a bearish candle here, and then you have a weak candle. So it could be bullish or bearish. Let's use bearish candle, because that's what the previous one was, right? So you have like this weak candle here, and you can take sells now on the break of that low. So if the candle comes up and respects the high and then breaks the low, that's typically where we see volume. And this also happens to be the 4 hour, all the lows here, right? The 4 hour and down, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 and 15 lows there. So that's where you should get a lot of like a nice push of volume in, and then you've got support down here to target nice clean range. Yeah.
Oh, you took different sells? Nah, Charla. This is my first order of the day.
First of the day. We're coming out swinging. That's what I like, John. Execution.
Nick, we get paid to execute, bro. This is my edge. I gotta put an order on this. This is my job here. I will, if I had a boss, which is me, he would be tight if I didn't execute on this. So I can't make him tight, you know. I gotta execute.
All right. What's up, Pete the G?
Yeah, chat. Yo, Pete. Good morning, Energy.
Yeah, a 1 hour close right here would be pretty clean too. 1 hour closures below this level.
30 celery.
30 celery, yep. This level right here, this bottom one, if you can close below there on the 1 hour, that'd be great.
Chala, yeah, just look left to get right. There's a lot of information if you look left, and just take what the market gives you, you know, like where do we have clean traffic to, where is the next support resistance at, that or levels at that we could reject from, and just listen to the markets and what they're saying and take what they're willing to give you, you know. But yeah, I would hold till like the most recent support resistance levels or wick rejection areas. Wherever price could have some trouble at.
The turbulence. Forex Guru, yeah, you can yeah, just hit make a copy. So when if you guys want to use the journal here, just go over to file, make a copy, and then you can delete all of my stuff and then add your stuff there.
Good morning, Andrew. What's good, brother?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, so just another trade here. Won't be my last trade. Isn't my first trade. It's just another trade. Yes, yep, yeah, exactly. Shadow Dancer. As long as we're following our plan, as long as us traders are following our plan, that's all that really matters. Hey, let's go, Paraz. That's good, but I can't hold it mentally. I closed too early. Well, maybe that's just a muscle you have to build. Something you have to work on is just managing your positions to the T, you know, holding some positions. That's why it's important to evaluate trades. Maybe you should lower your risk, you know, maybe lower your risk so you can let the trade play out, you know. But I don't know what your risk is, you know, but that could help you, I'm sure. Yeah, because any target we set, you know, it's set based off of our, you know, analysts or analysts, right? So we got to have confidence in ourselves, in our analysts, you know, and let the trade play out as you expect it to, right? Because we're trading our edge here. Oh, appreciate that, the blessed trader. Yeah, patience is a secret sauce. Yeah, I say to be a consistently profitable trader, you have to consistently follow your plan with patience and discipline. Right? Patience to wait for it, discipline to get in it, to not get in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 5%, Charlotte. Yeah, that's dope. You know, I don't think there's a right or wrong for risk. I think everyone has their own risk appetite. Whatever works best for you, you know. But if your risk though is not allowing you to hold your positions as you should to the target you set, then maybe lower it.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete these. We got 5 minutes left for all these candles to close, so I'm gonna delete and probably now we have a potential 30-minute celery. So it went from a 15 celery to a potential 30 celery here, and 1 hour break below or close below really. Still the 4-hour low there too. So I still like that entry, but I don't like the time right now. 5 minutes left. Let's delete. Let's wait for a 8 a.m. NY open celery play, and then we can go from there. Well, all you guys can keep it if you want, but that's what I'm gonna do. Hey, shout out to John, man. Shout out to John.
Yo, shout out to Nick.
Coming up here, always talking good stuff, spitting gems in front of like 1,000 people at times, 2,000 people at times. Takes a lot to be able to do that, and at 19 years old, that's a stud right there, man.
Dude, I appreciate you, bro. You're a stud.
I do him a disservice for not bringing him up here. Right? We're breeding 8-figure traders, training champions.
Yes, we are. Hell yeah, we got to.
Yes,
got
sir.
To. Hell yeah, man. Appreciate that, Nick.
Of course. Nick chickening out from entering? Yes, I am. I'm being a big chicken here because I do not want to get entered and this candle closes like this with like no bottom wick. Right? Or even like this. Let's say I'm a few pips in profit, but only a few minutes left, and we close like that. And then next thing you know, we just bye-bye. Screw yourselves. I'm out of here. So yeah, I am definitely chickening out.
Especially when you got the opportunity to wait for a higher probability setup too, you know, you gotta do it. You gotta wait on that.
Yeah, I got the that's the main thing. We have an opportunity to potentially settle in on a way higher probability setup. That's the chicken 4,000.
Yeah. And Nick, you're right, bro. Like the time plays a big part. Like if we have 5 minutes till the candle closure, like we don't want to get in, right? We want to, when we get in, we want to have time for our trade to play out.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the thing too. Yeah, man. I'm scared. I don't know about y'all. You guys must not have lost enough money yet. I'm scared of these markets. If it ain't exactly how I want it, I ain't in there. I am chicken.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Some of y'all like, I ain't no chicken. I'm gonna get in here. Oh no, 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 no. All of a sudden margin call. Oh, please don't do that. No. Dang it. I should have pressed buy. That chicken play, bro. 97% win rate. Some of y'all, man, you ain't scared enough, man.
Yo, this is word.
You ain't scared enough to
run. This is my
run,
capital here.
run
I'm
a
not trying
playbook.
Word.
Oh, man.
This is my capital, man. I'm trying to make smart deals only. Smart investments only.
Oh yeah. Man, my first year in the markets, the markets like jumped me, bro. I got the beat down. I'm scared.
Oh yeah, the markets will mess you up for sure.
Shook.
XAUUSD.
Hey Nick, quick question: would have been a good entry to take it when the 4-hour candle flipped initially? When it flipped bearish, it all depends. I don't think I would have taken it just strictly based off the 4-hour, and then the 1-hour really didn't have any signs yet. You know, you were still bullish here, so I wouldn't have taken it on the 1-hour. Yeah, was this the flip right here? So if this was like a confirmation right here, then possibly, which it was not. So no, I wouldn't have taken it. Let's mark the flip off here. So nothing on the 1-hour, nothing on the 30-minute, and nothing on the 15. Nah, I don't think I would have taken it on the flip there. Yeah, there was just nothing valid for me to base it off of any of these lower time frames yet. This is the sell that I did want a little earlier. I believe that was before the flip, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that was me anticipating the flip would happen, but the candle gave us no top wick there on this guy right here. Other than that, I don't see anything just yet outside of that celery play. I think I'm addicted to the dopamine I get when I see my account fluctuate. Yeah, man, it's addicting, man. It's addicting.
Addicting.
You gotta know how to regulate it, you know. Like crumble cookie.
Gotta be a professional.
There's a professional way to eat like crap. But if you just do it randomly, then you're most likely gonna be destroyed by bad food. Same thing in the markets, you know.
Honestly, I really do believe that I'm a professional. I'm professional when it comes to eating like crap.
Yeah, if you can get rid of the idea of getting any dopamine from the charts, as hard as that may sound, I think that can really help.
Oh yeah. I mean, like we always say, you just gotta go back to that logical plan, right? It's either your ego, you listen to your ego, or you follow your plan. That's really the two decisions you got at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's looking good, bro.
All right. All right, so if we can get a top wick here, which we just got, I'm going to have a sell stop. So I'm going to look to go short
back
on the break of those lows there.
front and back.
So I'm gonna add those sell stops back. And it's only valid if we break the lows because that's us breaking the 4-hour low. And we're tiptoeing around news here, right? We've got news coming in at 8:30. We understand that. Use size up accordingly, right? Size up accordingly. I think I'm only risking 3% on this trade, so nothing too crazy as compared to like my average size at this point is more like 5 to 7%, sometimes 10%. I'm only using 3% here, right, on my personal capital. NASDAQ sells. Let's take a look. Yeah, I haven't looked at this yet. Let's take a look. Daily's pretty bullish. We could move up. It looks like we never broke that high there yesterday, so we'll see if we can actually get a wick fill out of this. 4-hour close with no top wick, which is meaning that telling us that there's really not much range for price to continue driving up, or at least it's 50-50 now opposed to something like 80-20. The 1 hour is moving down, so it looks like you did get a closure below here on the 1 hour with clean traffic to the left. I think you just need a top wick, and yeah, you should be good to go. No top wick though, no entry. $30 before us has hurt us. Yes, that's why I'm going quarter risk. Because I still like this. I like the position, but I'm gonna go quarter risk on it. Yeah, if we begin to push up aggressively here, then I'll delete it because now we're breaking the highs there. Sam the man, what's goody? Yeah, I do have a new camera.
What's up, Sam,
yeah,
man?
I think I've had this for like a week or two. Yeah, Sam the man. No, Sam the man. Is Sam man here yet?
Sam the man.
Sam
Oh,
the man.
yeah, Sam man. What's good, Sandman? What's good, Sam the man?
We got a lot of Sams out here.
Right.
Yeah, Sam man. Always here, baby. What up, Sam man? We got a legit crew now. Like, you know who's here. You know who's like, you got, that's what I love about what we got going on here. It took about a year to establish this. During that year, you had many people flock through, flock in, flock out, you know, get excited, really excited when we were winning, getting really down, we were losing. But you had that, those level-headed individuals who just kind of stayed consistent. And now you're seeing, you know, the same exact names over and over. And all you see is growth, bro. The Waka Flocka. They Waka Flock it in, Waka Flock it out. Word.
Now we got future eight-figure traders here.
This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Going to breed savage traders.
Yeah, if you're not sub to the channel, sub to the channel. If you haven't gave the stream a like here today, I'm begging you. Don't make me beg, chat. How many likes we got? Hold on. Let's take a look.
Give it a like, y'all.
How many likes are here? Well, goddamn. Oh my God, 900 and something people here, 170 likes. Sheesh.
Damn. Y'all bless up.
That ain't right. That just ain't right.
Come on, bless up for us.
Yeah, man, that's not right. Damn. What a shame. All right, we're starting to break these highs here. I'm gonna continue hanging on to this for a few more minutes until we really get going. But you have NY open. You've got news coming in about 30 minutes here. So that's on board on. Those are rookie numbers.
Now it looks good. So.
We need to pump those up here, chat.
Yeah, come on, chat. Give the stream a like. If you know where you're going, if you know what your goal and desire is, that's all that matters, right? Put it before you. The goal that you have, the desire that you have is guaranteed. The outcome you want is guaranteed as long as you put the work in. As long as you do the correct steps that it takes to get there, your outcome's guaranteed. So that gets me pretty excited. I don't know about you, so give the stream a like if you're hyped.
Give a stream a like if you think you're going to be a profitable trader. If you don't think you're going to be a profitable trader, that's fine. Just don't like the stream today.
Facts.
All right, I'm
Right.
gonna delete
Small
this.
percentage is gonna make it anyways.
I'm gonna delete this, and we're gonna settle down here for news now. Yeah, so time to delete for me.
ETD. Got plenty of time left in this day.
If you think you're gonna be a profitable trader in the next 6 months, give the stream a like. If you don't think you're gonna be profitable, I mean, that's fine. You don't have to like the stream. But just know the universe is listening to your answer right now.
Yes, sir, Scott. Preserving that mental capital is key, bro. You know, not only is having a good mindset one of the more challenging things in trading, but also in life, bro. You know, I think that's the hardest part on the way to the top is not doing the work, but having a great mindset and being consistently positive. So if you could be disciplined in that, brother, you could do it in anything.
Guilt tripping y'all. You guys like, damn, I guess I'll like the stupid stream. Perez Capital. Oh, what's up, Tamra? Yeah, I mean,
Tamra?
If you don't have a positive attitude, then that's what every thought gets filtered through. So you have to have a good filtration system on your brain. And there's some of you guys read the Bible. I would go grab some promises, some out of the scripture. And I think I was talking with Stephen B yesterday about this. Yeah, like, you know, if you're still at a point, you may see me kind of like this hang loose type of lightweight spirit to me, right? And that's really because I've developed a filtration system that filters all my thoughts at this point. I'm not perfect. I still be getting upset here and there, but here and there, very, very rarely, right? Everything is kind of ran through this positive, optimistic type of filter there. So nothing will really you know, affect me because of that bulletproof system. So some of you guys read the Bible, there's promises in the word that you just feel. You don't have to go thinking of what promise should I have for me. Like, you already know about it. Every time you hear that scripture, it hits you, right? Those are the promises that are designed for you. And you have to really develop self-talk. I know it sounds corny, man. I know it sounds you know, like, why am I going to do that? But these are the things I did every single day upon waking up, every single night before retiring, putting my head down, was read this self-talk. Read these, yeah, I did delete the orders. Yep. Yeah, no more sell stops here. Read, you know, these positive affirmations or just these promises that I felt were over my life, and you know, through the repetition, and it could only be done through repetition. So some of you guys are like, yeah, I've done that before. Huh? Yeah, but you stopped, right? You didn't do it long enough. I've been doing this now for almost 10 years. Like, it wasn't 10 days, it wasn't 10 months. Like, it's been every day, right? For 10 years. So intentionally giving the mind legit intent on where to focus, on how to focus, on what to filter you know, every single circumstance and situation through, and I think that's how you can get over it.
100%, bro. Because just think about it. If you don't have authority over your mind, who does, right? If it's not you, then who?
Yeah.
Right? Who's controlling your mind? Right? Take full control of your mind, and you'll be great.
How to deal with porn addiction? Well, that's the enemy, right? So that's the devil trying to do that to you, right? To take over you. So number one, when you're watching porn, you're legit having sex with a demon. A demon. And number two is, every time you do that, the Bible says when you run to the word, the devil will flee. So every time you do make that mistake and you feel shame, you run to the word. Shower yourself with the word. And every time you run to the word, the devil says, I don't want to mess with that dude anymore, because every time I mess with him, he runs to God. Powerful, bro. Powerful. And he'll flee from you. Because guess who's the last person he wants you talking to? God. Right? So keep these things in mind.
Yeah. Facts.
This is I know it's jokeable, but you would be shocked at the devil's stronghold on men and women when it comes to pornography. It's straight work of the devil.
It definitely is. Hell yeah.
You'd be shocked. Got you, man.
Sir,
Bless
save
trader,
that,
let's
save
get it.
that, Save that energy for your woman.
Yeah, or your mission.
Yeah, your mission. Wait for your woman. Save it for your mission.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because you feel shame. You feel shame when you're through, right? That's where you got to run to the word, man.
You got to. Oh, yeah. What did Jesus do, right? Every time the devil tempted him with something, he went back with scripture, right? He fought his battle with the devil with scripture, right? With God's word.
Yep.
And you could do the same. Right?
could
Let's
do it
be
too.
more like Jesus. What would Jesus do?
Amen, Lucas. Amen. Yeah, and those of you guys who are battling with that, I'll pray for y'all. Pray for y'all. Hey, Green, what happened, bro? All of a sudden, man pops up all of a sudden when this topic comes up. Where you been, Green?
Let's
Where
get
you at,
green.
brother?
Let's pop.
You need to outwit the devil. Yep. Porn, junk food, doom scrolling, all of it is horrible. Media, it's all bad. It's all used. Education, religion, it's all used by the devil to lure you to, what does he want to do?
Distract you.
Kill, steal, and destroy everything God has put in you. Right? What did he say to Eve? He said, if you go eat that fruit over there, God doesn't want you to do that because then you'll be like him. Right? He doesn't want you to know. But what did God say? Well, how did he make men in his image? Right? So she was already made in his image. But the devil tried to trick her. He tried to play with scripture. Right? Like some of these pastors do. They're like wolves in sheep clothing, Jesus said.
Switch.
Right? So they'll bend the scriptures. That's why when we do Bible studies, we don't bend scripture. We look right at it. We talk right on it. You know, we don't take it for more than what it is, less than what. We don't add anything, subtract anything. We look at it for what it really is. And there's a lot of issues out there with people using the Bible as just some sort of motivational book, and that's not what it is.
Nope.
Right?
It's a guidance.
Eve had already been made in God's image. She didn't need to eat the apple, right? But because the devil had lured her and confused her and deceived her, right? That's where the issue came.
Yep. And it all started in the mind. Devil got to her mind.
Yo, Green, where the barbecue at?
Let's get tradeaholic. Yeah, bro, you'll find out, dude. If just keep reading that book and you'll know. You'll know what you're doing is wrong or right, you know.
You already know what you need. Everything's within. You don't need anything outside. You already got everything within. It's just about how do you tap into it? How do you bring it? How do you tap into that and use it to your advantage? Right? There's nothing outside of you to go find.
Mm-hmm.
Took a buy on the 4-hour low. Oh, nice. Should I hold it? I don't know. What's the plan? You're coming back into this. What is your plan? Because we're coming back into this range. We're re-breaking the highs there. It looks like it wants to continue pushing up. You've got news coming in about 13 minutes here. If you bought the 4-hour low, that means you're currently sitting 40, 50 pips in profit as you're tapping into these resistance. I don't want to tell you what to do, but I might close partials here, right? Because now you're running into all this wick rejection to the left-hand side, and sure, you can blast through, but there's no bottom wick on this candle. This is all resistance. You got news coming in 13 minutes. You're already up 50 pips. You might as well secure some profits, go break even, and sit back, relax, and enjoy your day. Sounds like a plan to me. Yeah, I would close partials before news. Just so you lock it in. Just so you lock it in. Because if news goes bearish, then you don't lock anything in, and you have that opportunity. You got to grab the great entry, right? You might as well get paid for it.
Yeah. You can't be tight though. If you close and price juices up.
Yeah, you gotta make a decision. Yeah.
That's why we need to have the plan. We need to have it all planned out beforehand, right? Before we get in the trade, so we can eliminate shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know, and we just go based off of our plan.
Yeah. Me, I'm sitting waiting for news. I think I deleted my orders here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait here. So you can basically say we've got this range here now. Support, support, resistance.
Yes, sir. Range, go away. Come again another day.
Give the London guys a range for once, dang it. Out here ranging in New York. My bad, London guys.
Hey man,
Nothing against
Goldie
you.
gave us some action though. Earlier, free NY, so I'm cool with it.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Right now to the sorry.
No, you good.
To the beginner traders, what we're doing right now is just applying patience. That's it. So you hear a bunch of traders say, be patient, be patient. This is what it means to be patient.
Just waiting.
Just sitting on our hands here, waiting for a setup.
You know when it's like 4 o'clock and you're at your job, it's like 4:38, and you're just waiting. You're just waiting on 5 p.m. Starting to get excited. That's just what we're doing here. Yeah, yep. You got 822 coming in. So 820 is either going to push us up, so we tap into 2350, or it's going to begin to bring us down. But you will get some volume here in about 24 seconds. Oh, damn. Wait, what? Rafi's thing isn't going through in Discord?
No, I think it went through.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Matrix hack, man. They do that to us a little bit. What do you guys think about streaming on Discord? What do you guys think?
Don't matter to me.
Maybe we'll try it out like one day a week. We'll
drop extra heat that day.
That'll be the juicy days, yeah. There's a limit. I think we figured out, right, Louis G? I think we figured out how to get the limit off. Stage mode, yeah, stage or something. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. How will people find us? They won't. We're closing up shop. We got a core group in here. We got a good like 800. Good core solid group. We don't have to work with anybody else. We just go to work, just us. Amen, Clinks. Stage, we have 1,000 limit or 10,000. 10,000? Oh, damn, that's a lot. All right, so we are rejecting. So 820 is pushing us down here. Let's go take a look at that 5-minute candle. So here's the volume for 820 I was mentioning here. We are moving down. So lovely, lovely. 15-minute candle closed. And yeah, just waiting on news now. No bottom wick here. These sells may still be valid below the lows there. Nasty price though. Think YouTube's better for the brand? Yeah, it could be. It could. It opens the door for more people, but I'm not so much concerned about more people. I want like the right people because I have plans to take this deeper. And with those plans, not everyone can come. You know what I mean? So like, I really want to see if we can begin to get the right people showing up day in and day out, which I think we've got, and just begin to work together towards that like 8-figure mark. Yeah, stay out. Yeah, stay out of this. With news coming now, you don't want to touch this. Don't do it.
Literally bouncing between these levels right now. Like a basketball.
Doing, doing. It's like a seesaw.
For real.
Only the strong survive, man. Yeah. Yep. That is true.
Damn right.
Oh, AB Michael on 2 cups of coffee today, huh?
Oh,
Let's check
damn.
out the food channel here. W. Oh, yummy. Okay, Elisa. Is that how you say your name? Elisa? Eating good. Eating good out here.
Let's get it, Lisa.
Hey, top sirloin and bacon. Yummy. Yum. This doesn't look bad, man. These cells still look pretty solid here. Hey, yo, did someone say Taco Tuesday? Word. Today's what? Tuesday, right?
I'm making, yeah, thanks. I'm making tacos tonight.
Oh, it's Taco Tuesday. It is Taco Tuesday.
Every Tuesday I make tacos. It's only
Yo,
right.
TK, I don't think I've seen this. Damn, bro. Okay. The Tommy. Tommy. You know what the T stands for in TK, right? Tommy.
Hey, damn.
It's that tomahawk. It's either Taco Tuesday or Tomahawk Tuesday, man.
Thanks.
Yo. Oh, yeah, let's see how the candle closes here. If you make a decent top wick on the next candle, right, like pop up and then down, then there's a potential impulse entry here. Which I might be feeling a little froggy today. Yeah.
Elisa.
Elisa. All right, got it. W.
What's good? What's good, Elisa?
All I do is eat. Time to eat. Alea be like, time to eat. We bring her plates out now. She'll be like, time to eat.
Yo, Leia is adorable, bro. Yeah, 1 hour still looks clean. I'm staying an hour now. Making me hungry at almost 2:30 a.m. Hey, damn. I don't know, man. I could never eat that late.
What you put on your tacos? I used to eat that late at like 19. Come home at like midnight with the munchies. Have like a whole like dinner. Complete plate.
A big bowl of cereal.
Absolutely nuked in the microwave. Destroyed everything on the plate. And then, yeah, just go to bed.
Damn, and your body. Way to give your body some rest while it slept.
Got a really good night's sleep that night yet. What you put on your tacos,
man, a
though?
big bowl of cereal with the munchies. Come on.
Yeah, tacos, man. I'm a. How many of you guys are like plain eaters? You guys like to eat plain? Yeah, I'm a plain.
Yeah,
I'm a
that's
plain
me.
eater.
Our brother Joe's the biggest, plainest eater.
Joey
out there.
Crumble, how you doing? Where's Joe, by the way? Friendly reminder about that. Where's Joe?
I think he decided not to come today.
Oh man.
Nah,
Really hoping to
yeah.
see him.
Yeah. So what do you put on your tacos, Nick?
Meat and cheese.
Yeah, same.
I don't eat all that. You know, I leave the celery and all that for the rabbits. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't eat that, man. Screw that.
Yeah, I'm a plain eater, man. I be getting my burgers with just cheese, some
And
cheese,
bacon.
maybe some ketchup, some bacon. Yeah.
It's really good. Chinese food. Oh my! There's this fire Chinese food spot. I know Greeno's Kowloon House. Where I used to live in New York, and the boneless spare ribs with extra sauce, Nick. Come on,
Hey, Green.
that was a
word.
slap.
Go get some boneless spare ribs today for the boy, man.
Yeah, facts.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it from me, bro. Yo, what
Please
up,
do,
Traders
bro.
X? Good to see you, my man. What's good? What's good? All right, news coming out here, man. I still do like these sells. Gonna need a top wick though for sure.
Yeah, Andrew, you know. Yeah, gave us that 8 a.m. pack on the 1 hour.
Yeah, let's see what happens here. If we go up first and then break the lows, there's an opportunity here. If we're still using this. Oh, damn. Andrew goes to Kowloon House. W.
Yeah, sir.
W,
Oh,
Andrew.
damn. There's our move.
Yeah, about that sell. There it goes. TP tapped.
All right, I'm out. Peace.
So, John, what you got going on today here, bud?
Yeah.
Hey, we drew it out.
Target tapped. Trade would have worked. W.
We got primary control.
That's cool.
Yeah, sells were valid there. Sells were valid?
I bet. Got a 4-hour closure in 28 minutes.
Yeah. 4-hour closure. Nasty range here. Can we break below?
Nah, Lewis, that wasn't me, bro.
Lights fire. Was good.
Nah, Lewis, I've been with my girl since I was in like 10th grade in high school. It's been a minute.
It's been 1 year. John's in 11th grade now.
Oh, it's not, bro. Shut the hell up, Nick.
Yeah, I took that on my designated Eagle 4000 account, guys. $4,000 next week. It'll be available. Pre-orders are now available. Just go to the website. I'm expecting each and every one of you guys to get it. Sorry if she's watching.
Nah, she definitely ain't. You're chilling. How to Riz? How do you Riz her? Ask Periz.
Perizzi.
He's got Riz in his name.
Hey, Green, where'd you go?
Yo, Nick, you took that on your phone?
Yeah. Where'd you go, bro?
Green, you better get Kaloon House, bro, tonight.
Yeah. What's up? You never answer me. We getting Kaloon House or what tonight, Green? The Celtics play tonight? Celtics play? Kaloon House and Celtics.
Yeah, bro, it sounds like a vibe. Actually, I think the Celtics played last night. Damn.
No, you said yuck? Don't stop.
Bro, stop the cap.
This guy Green, man. Got a couple muscles and just changed. Just switched up on us. Damn. All right.
Yo,
no
but I
doubt.
forgot it's bulk season.
No doubt, Green. Oh, the Knicks are on tonight. Oh, okay. Bruins are on tonight. Let's go. Yeah, Rangers took a slapping last night.
Damn,
What was
yeah.
it? 3-1? 4-1? 3-1?
4-1, I believe.
Sheesh.
Appreciate that, Andrew. Yeah, got it. What up? Got a trade? Bruins tonight? Yes, sir.
John rizzed by saying that he was a funded trader. She's like, what do you do? Why are you staring at this chart all day in school? He's like, you know, I'm a funded trader. I'm funded.
Yeah. She was like, oh, that.
You know, funded trader.
I make about 10% a month on my 100K account.
You do the math. You got a calculator. We're in school. Why don't you do the math there, shorty? I use this strategy called ICT.
Bro, the Riz. Yes, sir, Tradeaholic. The Riz is let her watch you trade. That's it. That's it.
Whip out that calculator. I know you got it in your book bag. Do the math on that, honey.
Top-down analysis gets them.
I've been doing 6% plus for the last 12 years. Add up my net worth. So what if I'm in 12th grade? Playing any golf today? I wish.
Sunday.
I'd be down. Sunday we're playing. Me, Joe, John, and Mr. ASFX himself are hitting the course.
It's a vibe.
It's going to be a big competition, I'm telling you. Y'all boys better come ready.
Yeah, we're about to throw like a G on it, right?
I'm down. Are you?
Hell yeah, let's run it.
I'm
got enough
confident in my
experience.
skill set now. Professional funded trader, man.
Yeah.
What up, YOLO Trader? YOLO Trader is in the house.
Okay, YOLO trader.
Send me the swing. I will. Are you a golf coach? Cause yeah, that'd be awesome. Yeah, I'm a golf coach. How far are y'all from Bradenton? Not that far for a game of golf.
Like 45 minutes probably. Not far at all.
Depends. If we're golfing, not far at all. We'll be there in a jiffy. I'm down. If you guys are in the general area within like an hour and a half or so, I'm down. Tampa, there's a really nice course. I forgot the name of it. It's near Sarasota. It's like an hour from Tampa. We should play there. I want to play there next.
Only come back up.
I thought you were from Jersey?
Bet.
Nah. We're from New York. Oh, you're a golf pro? Oh, damn. Okay. Definitely send you my son.
Yo, Salmon, what you think about the Knicks tonight, bro? Didn't look too good last game.
Pushing.
Yo, Scott, bro. We need him back, dude. What the hell?
Pushing. Uncle Scalp ain't coming back. Sorry, guys.
No, he's not.
He's moved on.
Not Uncle Scalp anymore.
Yo, mini golf, man. Mini golf is golf. Those putts ain't easy.
Facts, dude. The putts are the hardest part, to be honest.
To be honest, I thought I would suck at golf. I avoided it for years. Ended up getting out on the course and just doing pretty well, to be honest. But I might have beginner's luck.
Yeah, you got a good mindset. No, it's a good mindset.
I'm just
Nah, bro,
determined to win.
Putting.
I like putting.
The putting's hard, especially when the game's close. You know, like when the hole's up for grabs, it's extra hard. It takes some serious concentration. Yeah, let's go, Sandman. Hopefully Knicks win tonight.
Pushing. He's like, let's go, baby. Break that low. You got to break that low. Hey, how many of you guys remember Uncle Scalp, man? If you guys don't remember Uncle Scalp, you got to go to like some of our earlier live streams and just get a chance to meet Uncle Scalp. Maybe we can get him as like a guest one day. That'd be lit.
Right? That would be dope.
Drive for show, putt for dough. I like that.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Yeah, that's true. AB Mike. Pushing. He's like, come on, we gotta break that low. There it is. There. He's like a good old Staten Island accent. Just classic.
Nah, his laugh was the best.
Yeah.
So. Right, Scott? Uncle Scalp had a mad good laugh. Very unique.
He's on some of our reels. That one reel was the greatest, bro, where he's like, gorgeous. Remember that? Oh, and that's when Sam fell back in his chair, man. This guy.
Yeah, bro.
Sheesh. He was seducing the chart, bro. Tradeaholic, you would have liked this guy, man. You would have liked him. He was like, you talk to the charts like in a hood manner. He talks in like an Italian mafia manner. He's like, oh, come on, don't make me bring you back outside. All the wicks from the market coming from? I don't know. I'm not too sure. But come here. Sit down. Let me talk to you over here. What happened to Uncle Ted? I have no idea.
Yeah, Rapid Max. Only the small percentage
Great
of the crowd's gonna make it, bro. That's really it. That's the facts.
We missed Tandy too. Yeah, we missed Tandy. I think Tandy's still trading a little bit. I think Tandy be going out walking his dog.
Bro, I haven't talked to them in a minute.
I actually talked to Tandy on my birthday, which was last week.
Damn.
Tandy, I love Tandy, man.
Wendy. I still have never seen Uncle Ted. I've never seen his face.
Man would like record a video, drop gems, and he'd have like two nickels, a dime, and like $1, and that's what he'd be showing. His phone would just be like pointing down on his desk. Tandy, dude, the man. Ted was great, man. He'd be like, the market's got to drive up into this area, grab these orders over here, come back down, and don't touch it yet. Wait for it to come over here, drop down, right there. This is the zone that you want to trade in, right here, right here. Anything else is complete noise. Yo, he was great.
Nah, facts, bro. Especially when I was first beginning, like listening to just him and Raja go back to back was the best.
He would always draw. He'd be like, it's got to come back into this zone right here, right here. 2360 to 2356. You do not want to touch it there. You want to wait for the closure back below. Trade this zone right here. This is it. Then you're out. 2 minutes and you're out. That's it.
Yo, facts.
Why are you numbnut idiots trying to make this thing so complicated?
It's like, damn, I'm an idiot.
It's like, damn, Ted. All right. Chill.
Damn, bro, I just started learning.
Got it, bro. Got it. He'll just be casually talking and he'll be like, yeah, I took 5 entries over there, closed them all. You're like, wait, what? I remember he come on Downstream like 2 years ago. He'd be BSing, talking, and he'd be like, so yeah, I just closed out all my orders, entered at 2336.572, right ahead, pull back from that news. Now we're gonna be consolidating in this area and just closing it. That guy was like a wizard.
Yeah, right.
And he was right every time. This dude was right every time. I don't think there was one time my guy was off. I really don't. Like, how did he know everything?
Right. I believe he taught Raja, right, or something. Like,
yeah, he helped him out like in the beginning, definitely.
He's like the G of this.
My guy was on point every single time.
Yeah, he was nice with it. I definitely listen to that man. I came to trade.
Like, if you need me to call out the entries for you, then you've got a lot of work to do.
He ain't wrong.
If you can't calculate and make good financial decisions while I'm rambling over here right now, even I'm doing it, then you have no business trading. Do I know if he still teaches? Nah, I have no idea. I have no clue. Ted's gone. I don't know. Haven't seen him in a while. I liked his stuff. He was always, you know, his read of the market was always pretty good. I think Ted had some problems with his broker. Yeah, I think so. I think so too. GJ Gatwings? Oh man, GJ. I heard GJ's been trading really well lately. Is that true?
I have to start trading it.
Might have to go back to pound yen chat.
Can't believe this is literally my first year not trading pound yen.
Yeah, me too. First year ever in the markets. Not trading GJ.
Crazy.
All right, 4-hour closure coming up. Big closure here too, man. Look at this. Not looking hot right now.
Yeah, what the hell? Let's go with this 4-hour, bro.
How much did I lose in his broker? I think I had like maybe a couple $100. I didn't have that much. I know some other people that have a lot of money tied up there, but hey, it's not lost yet. Have faith. Just give it some time.
Sky, are you for real? Did I? Or are you trolling?
Boy, been grinding. He hasn't ate in 17 days, dude. What do you expect? Dude's on a 30-day fast here.
Nah, dude, that's cap.
All right, give me one
Nah,
second.
bro, just get that sunlight. Just get that sunlight. Get that vitamin D.
Be right back. We got a few minutes for this 4-hour close here, so just give me a sec.
Oh, okay, cause I dropped GJ. All right, that makes sense. Yeah, let's go. Can this 4-hour give us something? Like, don't close super weak. You know what I'm saying, chat? Like, do something. Like, close strong or close above the resistance. Yeah, because we are that previous 4-hour candle closed doji as well, so we can't have another doji 4-hour candle, right? If you're praying for your trade, you're probably over leveraged. I would say so. Tradeaholic, yeah. What's up, Usman? I'm doing great, bro. Hope you're doing good. I'm ready for the week, dude. I'm excited. It's only Tuesday. Got plenty of time left. Yeah, Sam, man, what's Brunson gonna do today? You know, hopefully it goes off. All right, it's 4 hours starting to look nice. Still got 10 minutes on it. Ooh, okay, pushing up a little bit now. Secured 1% on the pump there. Nice USD, way to be. Yeah, if that 4-hour candle, guys, can close above that resistance to the left, that'll be super nice. If you guys go on your 4-hour chart, right? Because the same way that the higher time frames lead to the lower time frames lead to the higher time frames, right? They like both connect. It's like a puzzle. You just put the pieces together. So if the 4-hour is going to close above that resistance to the level, big if, right? Keyword there is big if, then maybe the daily candle will like to make a steeper top wick, right? To potentially maybe continue down later on. So let's let this 4-hour close in 10 minutes, get more information, and we'll go from there. Gotta be patient though. Yeah, Sandman, we'll see. We'll see, bro. He's been nice. Yeah, Marcus, let's just follow price. All right. Follow price, and then that's it. Yes, sir, hacker. Yeah, gold is all I trade. That's all I need to. Yeah, I feel that, Tradeaholic. We got a lot of like wick rejections, rejection areas to the left there. I feel you. That's why I got my resistance above 2350. I believe Nick does too, yeah. Yep. Yeah, just to avoid all that choppiness, which is the 4-hour resistance, right? So yes, sir. Calvin, in the meantime, give the stream a like, chat, while we wait for this 4-hour to close. Johnny, how you feeling? I'm feeling amazing, dude. Super grateful to be here today. I'm thankful, man. I know there's someone out there who's praying for the life I have, and I'm grateful to live this life, man. Wouldn't want any other way. But how you feeling, Lights Fire? Hope you're doing good, bro.
All right, cool. So let me see how I didn't even. Hey, yo, TK. Let's see.
Yo, TK's getting me hungry.
Yeah, so green numbers here on the dollar. So interesting. You got green numbers on the dollar. Why is gold moving up? Let's take a look at the dollar here. Dollar down, gold up.
Well, we did go down. We're just coming back up now. I'll be right back.
All right. Yeah, I think Powell's speaking here a little bit later too at 10, right? Yeah, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Did we sort away the giveaways? Yeah, who was that again? I gotta go back to the stream. We're gonna give you guys accounts. I forgot to tell you guys. I worked it out. Yeah, we'll do some more giveaways here this week as well. We got some giveaways. Yeah, Ray. It was Ray and Scott Blackwood, right? Yeah. Yeah, I didn't forget. I actually did forget to tell you guys, or tell them, but yeah, if they're on the stream, are you guys on the stream? Woo, woo, woo. Come on, don't miss it a second time. Yeah, I dig London. Yeah, I like that. Tradeaholic. London session, no news on the US dollar, which is good. New York session, you're always kind of, you always got some news ahead of you, typically at 8:30. Yeah. What up, Ali Reza? How am I doing? I'm doing good.
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing? Ali Reza, bring out the whole ocean.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Tell him, bring it all out. Hey, if you guys are not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to make our run to 50K here. 50K. Yeah, so if you haven't subbed, sub to the channel. Give the stream a like here today as well. Wow, look at this. Just a NASDAQ bleeder, then a pump right back up. 4-hour closure coming up. Big close here on the NASDAQ as well. Okay, you got a support now here. Resistance here. Wow. What a move. So gold pumping back up into these rejection zones here. Very interesting, Goldie. Very interesting. Never broke the lows there. Came straight down. Never broke lows. Tapped our target, though. I believe, right? I think we had a target for right here, yeah. So we got a 4-hour closure coming up in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You may close with no top wick here. Yeah, you may close with no top wick right at this 30-minute resistance. Let's see. Yeah, message me on Discord, brother. Yep. Or message that guy TK. Martina Exploring the World. I like that name. Dope. How's the world out there? What's up, Scott? How you doing, man? All right, briefly, let's kind of get rid of everything. Let's recenter here and see what we got, right? So the daily is it's still bearish. We did get a closure, I would say, below these ranges here. This could be a fake out though, right? If this 4-hour closes above and leaves a wick and all that, you may begin to pump up a little higher. The 4-hour candle is now getting ready to close, right? And potentially closing bullish here. So you've got a resistance to the left-hand side. Right now, this candle's working on a closure. 1 hour also has that resistance here as well. 30-minute, I would say you can use this one. You also have one right here that you may want to use, especially on the open of this new 4-hour candle, because now your buys are sitting above the break of the high of that 4-hour, right? So if you come down, make a bottom wick, right, for the new 4-hour candle, and then close above here, that would be us breaking the previous 4-hour candle's high, and then that should indicate that we should get a nice push up, you know, towards these highs here, like 23.59. So that's kind of like what we're looking at right now. Let me just boom, but 4-hour closure in 3, 2, 1, boom. So yeah, we did close above. We did close above the range there, and now we're gonna work on a bottom wick, and then we'll see if we can look to take buys here. Yeah, unless you actually close, I would say back below, then there's no sells. No sells just yet. You would need a closure back below this resistance. So if we get a close back below like this, boom, then I think sells are good to come down. If you remain above there, right, and then you get a closure, let's say you get this candle to close like this, boom. That's your bottom wick now for our new 4-hour candle. The next, let's say 15 or 30-minute candle closes above, breaks this high, closes above. Now we've got clean buys moving up. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be looking for here, and we'll see if we can get it to play out.
Beautiful 4-hour closure.
Beautiful. So no setup just yet. We'll see how we do. All right, awareness. See you tomorrow. Good night. Sleep tight. We'll see you mañana.
Ace.
Oh, nice, Tradeaholic. Yeah, W. Yeah, seeing things alike.
Let's get a Tradeaholic.
Yeah, or even added confirmation. You get a little fake out here, but that I would like to see with no bottom wick, something like that. Then I obviously wouldn't take those sells, and then if you can get a closure back in the range, right, break of the lows there, that'd be awesome. Then boom, we should be good.
What's up, Ali Rizza?
Ali Reza. What's up, J Dot? Link for the playbook. Maybe one of the mods could help out there. Yeah, I think one of the mods might be able to help. If you guys can link the playbook. I also did a video on it. I'm also revamping basically all those videos that you see up there. I'm going to revamp them. Yeah, this is good because we need a 4-hour bottom wick here. Unlike last week where we just drove up every day in like the first 5 minutes. So annoying. Are you looking for the PDF of the playbook, or are you looking for like more information, like a video of it? J Dot. What up, Swifty?
What's up, Swifty? Let's go, Lewis A.
Swifty. Lewis A in the house. PDF. Yeah, can someone hook them up with a PDF? I think we should be able to do that. I'm new here. How could I follow you? You can follow me right here. We live stream Monday through Friday for the New York session. We start at 6:45 a.m. Eastern. And then if you want to follow me a little further, you can come holla at me here on Instagram. Yeah, this is my Instagram for those of you guys wondering. Right here. Yeah, the 4-hour close is different. On my futures broker, the 4-hour candle's still open as well. I've made a rule early on that I was always going to go off of OANDA and just treat it like that. So even sometimes when my futures chart is a little bit different than my OANDA chart, I still stick with OANDA. So it's one of those things where you got to make a decision. Just make it now and be like, all right, moving forward, I'm only looking at OANDA, or I'm only looking at my broker for like, you know, charting up and analysis.
And plus, all the data we've collected over the last couple of years is all from OANDA.
Yeah, OANDA
as well.
Yeah. But yeah, this is my IG right here. You guys are more than welcome to come follow me. Like Wix would say, the IG. This is my family right here. It was us 4, but we added another one now. This little guy, you can't see him here, but so now we got 3 Rugrats. We got a lot of our trades taken, not all of them, but some of them. that we have here on Reels that you guys can do. Pretty educational too, so you guys can go check these Reels out. I know Uncle Scalp's in some of these Reels. He's definitely in some of these Reels. Like, yeah, there he is. There he is. Yo, who remembers the red and the green light? You remember that? Or the red and the blue light he used to use? Start confusing people, man. Put the red light on. He's like, yeah, everyone's like, yo, we in cells or what's going on? Yeah, if you guys are looking for some good books, I got some good book recommendations here for you. So yeah, check out my Instagram if you guys are looking for books. I got a ton of books, man. Ton of books. I'm a big reader. I believe reading is what really shaped me to be a little bit better and separate myself. Yeah.
Reading is key.
Your boy Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber met me one day. He was hype. He was hype. Yeah, these are my recommended books, though. I kind of do recommend them in this order. Maybe not exactly, but yeah. Great book right here. Outwitting the Devil is the book we were talking about yesterday. For all my married men and women, The Meaning of Marriage was a good book here. Think and Grow Rich, Magic of Thinking Big, which is my probably all-time favorite when it comes to personal development books. What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, highly recommend all you guys read that book.
Very important.
A lot of good books. A lot of good books. But yeah, that's the IG. So that's where you can follow me, and right here on the live stream. All right, lovely. We made a bottom wick here, so we're trying to flip here, but gotta wait for this candle to close.
Trying to get through those.
Blue for buys yet. Next thing you know, this thing was on red. Start confusing the whole chat. Can we talk about your physical transformation journey if you're comfortable with it? Yeah, what about it? Like physical fitness or? Can you explain the Justin Bieber play? Yeah, dude was hype. Dude seen me, he was like, yo! You down to take a picture? I'm not even lying. Not even lying. Yeah, if you get a 15 close above here, it's actually not that bad at all. Right? Because if we have volume coming in, pushing through, and the 4-hour wants to drive up here, you're going to see volume start to run in here at like 9:15-ish.
I'm not messing with the resistance on that 15.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. Yeah, you know, Justin Bieber pulls up on the stream.
Man, that was long before I had the live stream. Yeah, fitness. I saw on your IG. Yeah, you know, somebody said something to me one day. Said, "Hey, God forbid someone kicked you into a hole. Would you be able to get out?" And I was thinking about that for a minute. I'm like, you know what? That's pretty lame. That I may not even be able to get out of a hole right now if I got pushed into one. So I know it sounds funny, but that's actually what kind of kickstarted things. I was an athlete my whole life, so I was in shape for most of the time. But after athletics, I just kind of chilled, hung out, became like this, you know, more chill lifestyle. That's when we were pushing the P's, and yeah, man, Pat probably got a little heavier than I wanted to, but it really just came back down to awareness of what I'm eating too, right? I don't want to. A lot of people are really overweight today, and the only thing that's really changed is the amount of like seed oils and the amount of like refined sugars and, you know, all these things that we consume, right? If you look at, you know, 30-year-olds back in what's it called, in like the 70s, there weren't many heavy set people, right? Actually, at one point, to be fat, you were in the circus, right? They had a fat man in the circus. Now you look around, you go to the supermarket, they're like everywhere. So I think it was just a conscious decision to get healthy versus like be in shape. And yeah, I just started applying exercising and eating, you know, good whole food diet.
Yeah, now you can just walk outside and you see a fat person.
Now you don't even have to go to the circus.
Not even trying to make fun of them, but
guys, you know that in the circus there used to be what they called the fat man. The fat man. Nothing has really changed outside of the products that we eat. I mean, they didn't have fruit roll-ups back in, you know, 1960. Dudes weren't eating Captain Crunch cereal back in 1960, right? They were eating eggs, bacon, real whole food type of diet.
yeah, 100%.
Yeah, seriously. Come on, man. If you're a dad, let's go. Let's put your foot on the pedal, man, and start putting your prioritizing your health, so you can not only actually chase after your kids and have fun with them, but to be an example, man. To be an example.
Yeah, bro. Word.
You gonna let your kid be the one to figure it all out, or are you gonna do it and just give them a good example? All right, yeah, look at this. Breaking highs here now. 15 closure in about 3 minutes.
Goldie, give me that deal I want. Come on. You know what deal I want.
Yeah, started eating a lot of steaks, a lot of ground beef, a lot of just animal-based diet.
Started walking a lot.
Yeah, exercising
Clean your eating,
more.
hit the gym every day.
You know, I still have crumble here and there. Still have some ice cream and stuff, but for the most part, I'm trying to stay it was really when I started learning about biohacking too, and about the gut and how the gut is like the real brain. That's when things really started changing for me.
Yeah, facts.
I'm in for good buys. Nice, Nolan. Yeah, it looks good, bro. Looks real good.
I'm down. That 15 closed above.
Let me get some water and I'll be right back, just in case FOMO kicks in.
Nah, no FOMO. No FOMO when you know what your setup is. Push and pick. Yeah, let's see what happens here. That range looking good. Hell yeah. Range looks super clean. This is the range we want, right? This is the range we want to trade in. In buys as well, I bet. Hopefully these buys play out for y'all. I'm trying to get in buys too. Just need to wait for something here. Need to wait for a certain pattern. Brother Wags, we pushing pips. Here we got a 50, less than 50 seconds here for a closure on the 15-minute. See what's good. Yeah, that's fire, Tradeaholic. That's a good idea. Did you make an entry in gold? No, not yet. I'm looking to go long though and take buys here in about maybe a minute. If not, then maybe 15 minutes from there. Patiently waited.
Oh, did we close? Oh, we closed
sir.
below.
Close below. ID, bro, for me. I'm chilling.
Yeah, we need a bottom wick. If we can create a bottom wick here, then break the highs. I've seen this play out a few times here over the last couple days, so maybe we'll, or maybe I'll have a buy stop here. Something better than that. Targets on buys are pretty clean, man. Up
Price.
towards like 23.57, 23.59-ish. Somewhere in these ranges, yeah, not bad.
Facts.
Yeah, I want to see a bottom wick though. Somewhere like steeper than what it is, right? Somewhere like 23.48-ish, somewhere around here. Yeah, that's the only way I'm getting in there.
Got 9:30 coming up here, y'all. Let's get it. Sir, green.
Yep.
Powell at 10. Yes, sir. Amir. What's up, Amir?
What's up, Bobby? How are you, brother? Yeah, 30 closure above. You got a nice clean range here. You're looking at like 70 pip range.
Looks good.
Yeah, you can wait for the 30 closure. Yep. How you doing? What up, Joseph?
Hey, if you're waiting for the 30-minute though, you can't be tight if this drops, right? Price can do whatever. It doesn't care about what we think.
Yep.
So
Yep.
just sit on your hands and understand that you're just waiting on your plan, right? And that's the best thing we can do today is be patient for our plan to work.
Yes, sir, John Stewart. Yes, sir.
There.
Hey, yo, some boy comedy. What's good?
That's good, some boy. 90
them.
comedy? What's up?
Hit them push-ups, bro. Push-ups. Push-ups.
Yo, facts, bro.
I'm literally sitting on my hands.
I feel that, bro. That was like me too. And before.
TP for me is gonna be like 2360. If we look at the 1 hour, you got a clean range, right? Same thing with the 4 hour. Even the 4 hour we could see pushing up towards 2364 or right around this area, which we have already, 2360. So that's the idea here, is where will that 4 hour candle go? Yeah, if you close just like this on the 15, that'll be good. That'll be kind of like a celery play, although it will basically be defined as a breakout. But yeah, This is anyone's game though right now. Buyers or sellers in this area. Trade Locker can now be connected to Trade Zella. Yeah, that reminds me. I'm gonna set up my Trade Locker account today. I'm gonna set it up today.
Freaking brick in my place right now.
That's because Joe's sleeping, man. Dude wants it nice and cold out in there.
Alright.
We got 8 minutes left here. A lot can happen in 8 minutes.
Sir.
I'm gonna settle it right now in my mind that I am off to the 30-minute closure.
Beautiful.
I will wait. On Trade Locker, click the market open or market option and it will change to limit or stop. Nice. Thanks, Tradeaholic.
Yeah, energy. We're waiting on the 30-minute now, and the 30-minute is a stronger time frame for confirmations than the 15-minute. So
Yeah.
as long as we get that 30-minute to close above, looks good.
But this 30 can also close below here too.
Yeah,
If
definitely.
it closes below 23.47, then you're most likely going to see price dry. Where we drew this out also, where you may get that push back down now because numbers did come out green here on the dollar, I believe. Big closure. Big closure.
I'm with the sells too. You know, my
with
job is just to follow price.
Facts.
Let's get it, energy.
Yeah, TTF shut down permanently. Prop firms, they're taking. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Crazy. They don't want to pay up either. They don't want to pay.
Who's that? The fund trader?
Nah. Who was that again? I forget their name. The funded Forex, maybe, right? The funded Forex, true funds. I don't know. Well, I forget what it was.
Who knows? They're all the
That's-
same.
That's why you really gotta have business people backing these companies, right? A lot of these random traders, they don't have any idea of business. A lot of them are even young kids, right? They're just starting companies. You could start a funding company in your basement,
Yeah, for real, bro.
right? If you have
really
good
can.
marketing and you can get the word out there, you can sell 100 challenges at 500 a piece and not have to make a single payout for the next 3 or 4 months, right? So you can very easily start up a funding company. Yeah, obviously you're gonna need some licensing, but that shouldn't be that hard to get. So you really want to work with people who are backed, you know, like one of the big reasons I like Top One is not only are the guys great, but Matt got some pretty deep pockets, right? Matt's pockets are very deep. So if he ever had to cover, he can cover. Where a lot of these guys, they just ain't doing it. They're just not doing it.
Yeah, these dudes are prepared, bro. They set it out beforehand. Like, they know they got a business plan to follow.
Yeah.
And yeah, and because of that reason, Nick, that like you can just start it from your basement. That's why the regulations are gonna come crazy. And in the long term, that's why we see what's happening now. But in the long term, only the good ones are gonna last, right? And the bad ones are gonna leave. So
Yeah.
just be patient.
Tough times expose a lot of either businesses or traders or just individuals in general. Like, how can you handle the low moments? I think Top One was probably the best at really transitioning over from all that stuff that happened. They handled it really well. They did a good job, and they never once missed a payout. They've been doing some pretty big payouts here too.
Yeah, and that's fire. And that's all that matters, right? At the end of the day. So.
Start a prop firm? I don't think so. It sounds like a headache to me, to be honest.
More like start a hedge fund.
Yeah, hedge fund, that's what I'm with. But funding company, that just sounds like too much work that I'm not willing to do.
Tradeaholic, I could low-key agree with that. It's a good point.
Bingo. Done. Paid. Sold. All right, Goldie.
That's funny, Scott.
Will we close above? Top one will close. Oh, you betting against them? Miss B. Miss B. Oh, on GJ. Yeah, there was a decent move here on the 15. All right. I think it got like, wow, actually got like 40 pips there. Yeah, this candle's coming back up now here. So respected the low. As long as it doesn't close below 23.47, I think it's in good shape to continue up. Yeah, you may have like a 15 seller here too. Let's see what NAS did. Yeah. Aggressive, man. You should see another push here. There may be some really good sells here to go back down and fill that wick. Yeah, 2 minutes for the closure. Should get a lot of volume here. Looks like the onion's starting to form on the 15, celery starting to form on the 30, and then potential breakout here on the 1 hour.
What on NAS?
Yeah. Anytime you see things forming like this, it's typically setting up for a good trade where it's like a 1 hour breakout, 30 potential celery, 15-minute onion. That's like your ideal 30-minute celery. It should also be a 15 onion and a 1 hour breakout.
Thanks.
All right, Goldie.
Got 1 minute here.
Let's see. Yo, you're actually not lying. There were people sending signals. So they created like their own Telegram, and they would send us signals from the trades that we took here. Yo, $5 a month. Someone join my signals channel. Funny, man. We know everything. We got eyes everywhere. Oh, wow. Look at this. Here we go. Coming back down now. Interesting 30-minute candle here. Really big closure. Just don't want it to close doji.
Oh.
Let me take a look at things here real quick. Interesting. Very similar
shots,
over here. All right, so 30 did close, right? 30 closed, 15 closed bearish, 30 closed very weak here, You are in this like rejection area. I think I'm gonna have an impulse sell here on the break of the 30-minute low. Yeah, only because you are in this rejection, right? So 4 hours rejecting. If you look left, we rejected here last time, drove down. 1 hour is also in this nasty area, broke the highs, but not really doing much currently. 30 minutes still chilling below that resistance. 15 closed bearish, creating resistance. Yeet.
Tricky.
Tricky. It's either that or we could wait on a 15 closure here. Yeah, I think waiting on a 15 is going to be better than an impulse. Because if this 15 gives us a closure, we could have much better direction here. We didn't break the low there either.
Like the 15 doesn't look bad, you know. The 30 minutes chalked though.
Yeah, 30's chalked. Yeah, man. Close nasty. Nasty closure. And 15-minute range. Stops like 37 pips. Still long for buys. Man, we're in this range now, so I don't know. I don't think buys are as valid as they once were 15 minutes ago. Let's see, we're breaking that 15 low there.
I was thinking of sell stops on the 15 low, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think I like 30 low a bit
But
better.
I'm feeling like this strat. Just stay out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need that 30 lows key.
Yeah, this may be a decent impulse entry here for those that want to take it. Gotta break that low though. Fake prop firms. That's funny. Oh man, coming down to the low here. Yeah, this might be a very, very nice impulse entry here. Just we're bullish here on the 4 hour. We're stuck in the range on the 15. So I think I'm gonna just look at this one. I'll sample size it. If it works, I'll have it in my arsenal for a later time.
Like we say, y'all rather be out wishing you were in than in wishing you were out, right? So it's whatever.
You know, you always want to participate here at 9:30. So that's another reason. I know we have volume coming in, but if price is still a little difficult, it's very tough to just enter in, right? NAS is kind of dealing with the same hold up here on the 15. Yep, it is what it is. If it drives, it drives.
I'm chilling. Yeah, David. Yes, sir. Sandman. Let's go.
Sandman. If I buy the mentorship this week, I'll be entered into next month's sessions. We could probably start a little earlier with you. Yeah, you can on the website you could just book there'll be a calendar there. You can book a date there. Yeah, to do our intro call. Yeah, so that would have activated all impulse entries right there.
Yeah, I wouldn't have closed anything either.
Nah, nope. This is one at 9:30, which you really don't want to close, right? You want to try and get the full push out of this, coming down to back towards like 23.38, but it's not ideal just yet. Yesterday, same scenario, yeah. Oh, NAS back up here. Yeah, nothing just yet on NAS. Goldie.
Goldilocks.
Yeah, those of you guys that do want to get a head start on the Elite program for June, you can come to the website, just click Elite Coaching, Elite Mentorship here, and then you can book everything up if you want to get a head start. There's only 5 spots available, so they fill up pretty quickly. Yeah, but if you guys want, you guys can register now, and then we'll lock everything in. So by June 1st, we got everyone ready to go. Ready to go.
Damn, bro, I can't believe June is next month. What the hell?
Nice, man. We stuck to our plan here and may have saved ourselves definitely from some drawdown and may even a loss.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see here.
What the calls entail? Yeah, so that's a 4-week one-on-one program with you and I. Everything is one-on-one. We got some elite members in the house, I'm sure. But basically we go over everything from the systematic approach to the playbook to price action, candlestick, trade management, risk management, ranges, everything in between. Plus, we do a really good job at really just weaving the mentality within the trainings and within the coaching calls and the sessions. I have a lot of fun doing them. Yeah, it's good to see you guys, you know what I mean, and actually be able to cater some conversations toward you, and I think it makes a huge difference. Huge difference. A lot can happen in 4 weeks. We have seen a lot of change within 4 weeks with some of these guys and girls. I'm back. What I miss? Honestly, nothing.
You miss confusing price action. Hell yeah, bro. If you can change your life within 30 days, imagine 6 months, right? Imagine a year, right? If you kept that consistency up with your actions and your habits and feeding yourself the right thoughts, you know, how different of a person would you be if you went the long way, right? About 6 months to a year, a lot can happen.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The times are flexible. Yeah. So basically the way I do it is we book a session from a session. So it's like we do like 3 sessions a week. Every time we finish one, we book the next one. And I have a whole curriculum that's put together. First half is a lot of teaching. Then you guys are going to get a 25K challenge account. So that way you could begin to apply what you've taught. And then the second half of that 4 weeks is a lot of trade review, whether we're reviewing your trades, my trades, really finding out like what it is you still need help with, right? Because we're going to go through the curriculum. We're going to talk a bunch. We're going to explain everything, and then you're going to go apply it. Right, and as you apply it, you're going to run into some trial and error, and that's where we're going to find out, hey, what are your strengths according to what you've learned? What are your weaknesses? Let's work on those weaknesses. Let's complement those strengths, and try and get you off and running. I think most traders just don't have a concrete plan. If you have a concrete systemized plan with the mentality behind it, it's one thing for me to say have a concrete plan, but if you don't know the mindset, the mentality, and the professionalism that really goes behind it, you're not going to take it as serious. So I think that's really where we help, is giving traders a legit edge in the market and the mentality behind it towards like making sure you really stick to it, because if you don't, it ain't gonna work. It's just the simple fact of the matter. I think most traders don't take this serious as well, and here's why: is because they've never actually touched money out of the markets, right? So they've never actually paid the mortgage or paid the rent or paid the car note or took off some debt or took their wife or husband out to dinner. So they don't understand how real this could be for them, right? It's still just a fairy tale to most traders. But when you actually touch the money, right, and it begins to pay for certain things in your life, you begin to realize, okay, yeah, I do need to take if I want to keep this flowing, I really do need to take a professional approach to this, and stop playing the kid games and get serious. It's one thing to be a kid and all that's good, but when it comes to the markets, you gotta be steadfast in your approach, and you can't break the rules, man. You can't break the rules. Plus, we have a lot of fun together, right, Lewis? Right, Energy? We got a lot of fun together. Traders X still here? Yeah, it's good. Melly's in the building. Yeah, so we have a lot of elites here, and we get to know each other, have a lot of fun, right, Scott? We really get to dive deep into a friendship, number one, but also a healthy mentor-mentee type of relationship. And trust me, I go way beyond trading, way beyond trading. We have 1.5k views now, 800. Why? Because not showing terminal? Maybe. I only show my terminal now once a month. I'm gonna recap you guys once a month, because not all you guys, but a lot of you guys were micromanaging my stuff, and it's like, why would I do that for free? Why would I do that to myself? I was linked with this eight-figure trader. He gave me some advice. Dude said, bro, don't ever show anyone your P&L. I'm like, seriously? He's like, dude, especially like while you're trading, there's a lot of pressure, right? It's not easy to run live streams and, live stream up here, never mind show all your pennies, right? So now once a month, you guys can get an update on my account. You'll see it, everything match up in TradeZella and my spreadsheet here. So if I have a winning month, you'll see that. If I have a losing month, you'll see that. I think this last month or two, we're up like almost 40%.
Well,
numbers on the screen, yeah. Yeah, I mainly want you guys to get the mentality. That's the big thing, the mentality, because then you could take that mentality and use any strategy. You don't even have to trade anymore, right? Some people come to the stream for like 4 months. They find out trading's not for them, and they go out and dominate in certain different areas of their life, which is cool. All right, will we get the closure? Closure, belosure. Yeah, I am Energy. Yep. Is my camera zoomed out? Yeah, a little bit. Oh, I moved it. I switched the angle. Yeah.
Good, Susanna.
Susanna, how you doing? Hey, thank you, Gotta Trade. Yeah, Gotta Trade's an elite member. We got a lot of elites in here. A lot of elites stick around and actually end up doing really well.
Right.
Pal coming. He's coming. Here he comes. How many days a week? Usually we do like 3 days a week. Sometimes we get 4 in if both of our schedules line up, but at least 3. Yeah, it's a good time. Would you look at that? Well, would ya?
You look at this.
Let's look at it. Damn, would you look at this?
You look at this.
All these elite members in the chat. Andrew, man. Trader X. Some of our top elite guys and girls are here today. Love it. Yeah, proud of you, Traders X, man. Really making moves. Life-changing moves. Isn't it crazy how much we can get done in 4 weeks? Crazy. All right. What are we doing?
W.
Yeah,
W for staying away for more information.
Definitely. So sometimes staying out of positions that you're unsure of are actually bigger W's than making money on trades, because that's where you began to exercise your discipline. You know, it takes a lot to stay out of positions. A lot of you guys understand that because you guys are in this position, right? All it took for you to get in was me to say, you know, that impulse entry looks pretty good, kind of good, right? And you were in there, right? There was no second thought, which you really should do some critical thinking, you know, before you do these type of things, right? And staying out, it takes a lot. You know, how many people we got here? How many people we got here? You know, like 800 people, and, you know, trying, you know, having a nice impulse trade, but choosing to stay out, you know what I mean? With 800 people, never mind just being alone, you know, and trying to stay out of that trade. It takes a lot. So if you stayed out of it because it didn't line up with your plan, that is a W. That is a win.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Just remember, y'all, I said this before, but we're not profitable off the trades we take, but we're profitable off the trades we don't take, right? We make money by not taking stupid trades.
Yep.
You know? So, yep. W. Preserving our capital for the best trade here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true, Tradeaholic. So the difference between me and a lot of you guys is once I'm lacking in an area, I go find someone who's got the fruit on the tree and I pay them. I pay them and I ask them questions and I just do what they say, right? I go look for someone who's got the result. I pay them whatever they want me to pay them and I find my answers and I keep it moving. But a lot of people are just, they're not confident to invest into themselves, where that's going to be the biggest, you know, the biggest investment for me was working on myself early in my 20s. And reading all those books behind me and, you know, doing all the work that I needed to do to improve, right? Now it's just, money just comes to me. Like every success just comes straight to me now because I've already put in that work. You know, I've already done that legwork. And now anything I want comes straight to me. I don't have to move. It comes, I sit in this chair and it comes straight to me.
Because you became the type of person to attract it, right? And that's what we need to focus on, is becoming the type of person to attract the lifestyle we want, right? To live. So yep. Become it now, right? Not tomorrow, but today.
Yeah, sir.
I mean, and I'm a witness of it, Nick. You know, like I seen you. Like I've came downstairs in our old house and I seen Nick reading books like every day consistently, you know. So I watched it. Yep, TK, I watched it happen.
Putting in work, man. There's no other way around it. What up, OGH? Welcome in, my friend. Yeah, TK came right to me. Gave me a big old hug. And John.
Hell yeah, TK, you're the GOAT.
TK's the man.
Yep.
Yeah, imagine. Yeah, exactly. You keep buying a $500 challenge. Meanwhile, there's someone that could probably teach you for like 500 to 1,000.
Yeah, facts. You gotta be willing to invest, y'all. Nothing's free.
Yep. Damn, man. So things are setting up really nice for this 4-hour to blitz, and we got Pal coming in here. Freaking Pal.
Stupid Pal.
Oh, nice, Taz. Yeah, take your time, guys. Like, you know, we open it up for 5 people once a month, so every month we'll continue to open it up and do it like that. Yeah, I believe the one-on-one, that's why we do the free live streams, but the one-on-ones give you way more in-depth, and that's where the teaching really happens. Like even the signals, you know, we were selling signals last year and I got rid of them because no one's learning that way, you know. And I'm not just gonna I don't have it in me to just sit there and make money knowing that I know this isn't really benefiting people. So we just shut the whole signals thing down, and We just stick to the live stream now and the one-on-one direct coaching, because I know that's where I could help you. You know, the signals, that's just, you know, you're not gonna learn that way. You may make money here and there, but it's not gonna get you to where you want to be. Yeah, you need that one-on-one mentorship. Or these live streams. You know, the live streams are great, but the one-on-one is where we go. I'll breeze and skip over things here where we can talk for that. We could talk on that topic for like an hour straight. Yeah, that's where I feel like my work is done too. I love people. You know what I mean? I love working with people. I've developed that heart from just being in network marketing for years, and I just love, you know, being more one-on-one with people. All right, pushing, Uncle Scalp, pushing.
Super news.
Yeah, that's true, Mr. BTC. Yeah. What up, Lee? What's good? What's good?
Yeah, the live streams are great because you literally get to watch professional trader trade. Right, you get to watch how he does it, and you can kind of like do the same thing, you know, pretty much.
Hey, that's how I learned. You know, live streams. I did a course as well, and then, you know, spoke with some people one-on-one as well. But yeah, live streams. These live streams are clutch.
Oh yeah.
They clutch.
Definitely.
All right, we got 8 minutes for Pal here. 7 minutes. Looking like you're getting a pretty good closure here on the 15.
Maybe news will let us get in with it.
What up, PM Magnifico? Oh.
Good. Magnifico. 4-hour highs breaking.
Course gets your foot in the door. Yeah, that's true. That's why we've had a lot of people ask me, hey, you know, I don't know if I could do the one-on-one, but can you make a course? So that's why we're in the process of making a course. I'm making content videos now. Whether or not I decide to put it out, I'm gonna continue thinking about it, but pretty much I'm gonna build out the elite course, the elite program in a course form. And that way, some people too, they're I don't want to say embarrassed, but they don't want to get one-on-one with you, you know what I mean? But they do want to learn. So, yeah. We'll see. Enough about the elite program, though. It opens in June, and yeah, if you guys want to rock with me, we'll do it. But enough with the elite. If you can find it, you can find it. Yeah, I'm the last guy to sit here and talk about, you know, we got this and we got that. It's just, if you can find it, you can find it.
We're focused on sniping a trade from gold right now.
Focus on sniping one here. Tell us more about the elite. Well, I'm glad you asked, Jelly J. So about that. Yeah, Pal's gonna say good morning. Okay, good morning, pal. How you doing today? You're bringing that type of energy, huh? I see. Yeah, everything's on the website. So you can go to the website and find it all out there. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Yeah,
Faraz, you know me, bro.
We did sell, we did break the low there, too, on maybe grab this pack to continue up. 4 hour looks like it's ready to rip. But Pal may have some sneak attack in here for us, man, because see how we were up in this range last time? We were bullish on this candle, and then we kind of came down there. So you may see similar price action here where you had this push up, somewhat of a fake out, and then a drive back down. You got this push up, right? Somewhat of a fake out maybe here for price to drive back down. So it can go two ways. That's why being ahead of news is a bit spooky. Bit spooky. Still 3 hours left on this 4-hour candle here. The big dog's coming in. 5 minutes. We are approaching our halfway mark here in the month, and we're doing good. We're doing good, chat. We didn't get too high, right, on April's month here. Just staying steady. Just like compose, like a kind of like a duck. You guys ever see ducks swimming in the water, man? They're even though their feet are kicking like crazy, they're still cool, calm, composed above the water. So that's how we have to be as traders, and not get too high on the highs, not too low on the lows, because no moment lasts forever, good or bad. Good or bad. And that's in life, for life in general.
Facts, bro.
He's gonna fix his glasses. With one move of his hand, he moves the markets. NAS sells for Powell. Let's take a look. The open pushed us up. We broke 4-hour highs. Very interesting. 1-hour highs got smoked also. You got a new 1-hour candle closure. So yeah, if you reject here, close below, you most likely see a pump down. I'd like to see, yeah, that 15 close bear. And now you got a resistance formed, and yeah, potential move down. It's a big closure here on both pairs. Big closure. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like for me. 1 hour looks what?
Looks like it's gonna juice. And the 4-hour.
Juice. Yeah, we're approaching the 4-hour high again here, which is this candle right here, this high. Discount? Oh yeah, Discord. Yeah, we should create a TK. Can you jot that? We should do a golf channel and a steak channel. Golf and steak. Yeah, we should add those to Discord. We have a sports channel, I believe, but not a golf one. All right, here it comes.
Damn.
Here comes Pal. You can see Price roaring as he approaches the podium. You'll fix, I bet. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get it. All right, I believe this is a speech, not a like number release or anything like that. So let's see how we do here. There still is range to move up. We kind of push pretty heavy here though, but there's still decent range to move up here. Four-hour got clean range. 1 hour got clean range. 30 got clean range. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick. Bottom wick.
What are you gonna? Would you use previous?
Nah, I would have to use current
stops?
candle here.
Oh, big, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, they're super big. Sheesh.
Papa Pal coming in hot. Oh, no bottom wick.
I go.
Oh, the channel's already there. Hey, W. W. It's alright. It's alright, Perez. We're gonna get you swinging that golf club, man. Taking some
Nice,
swings.
Perez.
Getting some swings in. No bottom wick here at all. Dum, dum, dum. Took 15 pips. Nice. Nice job. Casino time, PM Magnifico. Go, go. All right, Magnus. See you later.
Peace.
Later, later. What's our pal gonna do here? Oh, we're back to our original song here in the morning.
Mhm.
Trying to think if there was any positions. I mean, the 1 hour looked good, but that didn't really happen pretty on the 15. So there wasn't much there. Yeah, I don't think so. Nothing I could say, maybe we could have taken that.
Maybe the 1 hour. Breaking, I don't know,
Yeah,
the 1 hour closure above me.
The 1 hour, yeah, that's probably about it.
But
Just
I
that
was
one.
also skeptical of that 30-minute resistance as well as those wick rejections above there. So
Yeah. Does Pal know how to trade? Oh, yeah. He trades information for profits. Oh, he knows how to trade. Don't let him fool you. Pal's late. Uh-oh. Politicians make the best traders, don't they? Wow, not much movement here at all.
For real. What might happen later on?
Yeah, he definitely full margins. Wouldn't you? If you knew where the market was going, I'd be full margin all day.
Hell
That's exactly what he's doing. He's taking sells right here. Everyone in? Everybody in? All right. Good morning, everyone. And the crash. Sells actually aren't that bad if you break that low there. Y'all setting sell stops, right? Can you imagine what they're discussing over there? Everyone in? All right, perfect. Good morning, everyone. Down we go. Y'all got rid of your buys? All right, place the sells, and let's do this. Good morning, American people. Yeah, you want to see
what does this want to do? Could be.
Yeah, if you break that low, you should begin to push down here. This kind of looks more of like a rejection than anything. Rejected off of that resistance.
Depending on the next candle closure, who knows? Maybe the 4-hour potentially could be a fake out.
Yeah.
With the daily bias bearish.
Hit him with the and then. He's trying to wake Biden up. Yo. Biden, wake up. It's time to take America back, boys. They trolling us here. The comeback's coming, man. We apologize. All the other nations out there, apologize for our weak leadership. Coming back, man. We're coming back.
Coming back strong.
Walking the stage. Joey Stuchek. Yeah, word. It's 10 a.m. Where's this dude at? Joey Stuchek.
Joey Stuchek.
Joe, can you hear me?
Sheesh.
Don't tell me that man's snoozing. If he is, give me a wink. Don't tell the chat.
Very easy.
Too much cookies and milk, chat. Stay away from cookies and milk.
Facts.
Oh, oh, oh. Wow.
Sheesh.
Who took the
What are you doing,
impulse?
Nick?
Anyone?
What are you, how long are you staying on here?
I don't know. I might dip out here and wait for a move a little bit later.
Yeah, I'm thinking the move probably will happen later. Or somewhere later on.
Yeah, if you can close like this and then create a new support, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Like that. And then doink to continue up.
Yeah, I like that.
Or you wait for closures, I would probably say below 2347. Yeah, maybe you get a bearish candle close. So a couple scenarios that could play out. Bearish closure, right? Followed by a bullish new resistance. And then a close below 2347 here. That wouldn't be bad for sells, just like that. And then you could take sells on the next candle. Should be good to fill that wick. Or you get scenario 1 to play out where you get support above this level here. And then you may be good to take it back up. Take it back up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's valid.
Yeah, but this is choppy, you know. News is coming out. News is saying one thing, price is saying the other thing. Not a lot of volume. So not probably the best time to take a trade just yet here. Might be more waiting required. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. What time is it? 10 10 10 10 10
10 a.m.
10 10 to 20. It's
10,
10 10, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know where your children are? Yeah, I think that.
Yo,
I think that'll
facts.
be it.
Do you
man.
know where your children are? Like, what's going on with your children?
Where the kids at, man?
Yeah, nah,
Yeah,
weird.
I think that'll do it. Yeah, I think we'll call it a day here, chat. No trade day. It's been a while. It's been a while since we had a no trade day here. I think we've had one almost every day for the entire month. Yeah, so first no trade day.
Got it.
There may be something, like I said, a little bit later. I'm gonna hold off for now though. Not gonna take anything. There's no clear buys or sells, so just gotta wait. You know, just gotta wait. So I think that'll do it for the day. John Stewart, appreciate you coming by here today, my man.
Sorry, thank you, Nick, for having me.
Yeah,
I'm blessed, bro.
gotcha.
I'll give you a call a bit later.
Cool, man. See you tomorrow.
All right, bet, bro. Sound. Chat. Have a great day. Catch you guys later.
Later. All right.
Yes. Stay
All right,
blessed.
chat. Later, John. Stay blessed. Mods, appreciate you guys as always. Best mods in the game. Give a W's in the chat for the mods here today. Everyone else, really, really appreciate you guys stopping by today. Sub to the channel, like the stream on the way out. Get ready to boogie. It's all up. As always, follow your plan after the stream. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Later, gang. Peace.